On April 2nd, 2019, history was made by a group of students at this noble institution. Those students gave their school a special 275th birthday present after winning the 50th season of the TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz Competition. Welcome to another episode of School Zone. And in the zone today, you've guessed it, we are at the St. Jago High School, the School of Academic Excellence. Over to you guys.
Jago with it, this is the right zone, everybody all right, this is no fight zone, pass every exam, this is right zone, Mount Street and up Pong Street at the right zone. Let me tell you about the quiz team, was when man like Lindsay stepping, but them a beat we, in a them dream, we send them home 39-19.
St. Jago, we at number one, St. Jago, we at number one, St. Jago, we at number one, St. Jago, we at number one.
Hello Jamaica, we are the members of the St. Jago High School quiz team.
Did you know that this school was founded in 1744 and is one of the oldest schools in the Western Hemisphere?
Did you know the school was a merger of the Beckford and Smith Boys School and the Cathedral High School for girls?
Did you know St. Jago High School produced numerous Olympians such as Johan Blake, Nicola Schmid, Melanie Walker and Karen Stone?
Did you know that the school was intended to benefit the poor people of the town?
And did you know that our motto, Labor Omnia Vincit, is Latin for Labor Conquers All? This was on show as it helped us to toil our way to victory.
Read a book, magazine, newspaper. Read a book right now or later. Read a book for the higher education. Read a book, oh what a sensation. Read a book, magazine, newspaper. Read a book right now or later. Read a book for the higher education. Read a book, oh what a sensation. Read a book.
Hi, I'm Wendy and I'll be the 2019 second place winner of the Rita Marley Foundation Public Speaking Competition, and you're watching School Zone.
Well, basically, the coaches gives us a portion of questions, and basically after we study, we use our reserves to ask us about the questions, and when we get questions wrong, we revise them again, and we continue the process until the questions are mastered.
Our school body and our principal, yes, they were very instrumental in motivating us throughout every match. You know, just seeing them there in the crowd gave us the extra push to want to win the match. And our peers, you know, they would see us around the campus and they would say, you guys got it, you guys have it, you guys can take home the trophy to Mount Street this season. And our parents, you know, they were very instrumental in calling us, checking up on us on various occasions throughout the season. And teachers such as Miss Sanran and Mr. Dove, yes, you know, they would pass through and they would just encourage us to be our best and do our best at all times.
Well, our coach, he is a motivational speaker, so whenever he speaks to us, it gives us this drive to do our very best whenever it comes down to match time. We normally have training from 2:45 to 8 or 9 in the night and sometimes on weekends.
The victory, even though it was planned, it is so much more than expected. I don't know if it's the fact that it was the 50th season of the competition. I don't know if it was the fact that it was the 275th anniversary of the school. And I don't know if it was the fact that I am so close with this team, but all of that come together, I think, creates what is the most special feeling that I think can ever be imagined.
And how is the future looking for the quiz team?
We have a history, we have a strong tradition. Both coaches are past students and so they are committed to St. Jago High School. We start quiz as early as first form where there are competitions, and so there is no doubt that we will be a strong force to be reckoned with going forward.
And just like that, we've come to the end of today's episode of School Zone. Thanks for staying with us. If you like today's show and want to watch it all again, all you have to do is visit our website. What is our website, guys?
js.gov.jm.
Correct. And if you want your school to be featured in the next School Zone, all you have to do is email me at sclark at gis.gov.jm. Until then, take care.
Jago with it, this is the right zone. Everybody all right. This is no fight zone. Pass every exam. This is the right zone. Mount Street and up Pong Street at the right zone. Let me tell you about the quiz team. Was when man like Lindsay stepping, but them a beat we. In a them dream, we send them home 39-19.
St. Jago, we at number one. St. Jago, we at number one. St. Jago, we at number one. St. Jago, we at number one.